Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use AI to create parent-teacher meeting summaries. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Now over here, write in the prompt. First, create a hypothetical parents and teacher meeting situation. I will guide GPT how to do it. Create a hypothetical conversation between parents and teacher, and now hit enter. Here you can see that ChatGPT has created a hypothetical conversation between teacher and parents. So now once it is completed, I will write in the prompt, make summary of the above conversation with important points and also follow up on the next, and hit enter. Here you can see that the ChatGPT has created the summary of the conversation and also the follow-up action points. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.